How's it going on? Welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, we're going to be talking about this new endoscope from Depstech. This is the DS660. Now, we reviewed here on the channel before the DS650, which is also an incredible unit, but this is their latest and greatest. So a couple differences between this one and the other model, which we're going to be talking about here. But as always, comes this very nice carrying case with this handle here, and also protects your investment here. Something were to fall on it, it wouldn't damage anything, which is great. This always comes with one of these. So once we open this up, here we have our unit and we have our user manual. If you needed any sort of guidance, you could go ahead and use that. So let's talk about some of the features here. So we have a 5-inch display here, which is pretty massive. The DS650 is only a 4.5-inch display. It is IP67 rated, and it articulates a whole 210 degrees. So in total, direction. So which is great, and obviously has this gooseneck cable here, which we can manipulate in any way, shape, or form that we want. If you needed to get to somewhere that was, just at an odd angle or something along those lines, like AC vent or behind a timing chain or something along those lines, that'd be great. So it does feature a 2600 milliamp hour battery, which gives you 4 to 5 hours of running time, which is extremely long. It's great. You don't have to worry about recharging it after every time you use it. And this is only 6.35 milliliters in diameter. So again, very, very thin, which is great. You're going to be able to fit it in a lot of tight and small spaces here. So the price is $159.99, but as always, I have a link in the description section down below. And you can oftentimes find coupons for it. If they are there, apply them, and you could get a discount on those. I believe right now it's on sale for about $129.99 or so, but standard price is $159.99. So let's go ahead and power this thing up, and we'll just show you around a little bit here. Now, to power this up, we have our button right up here. So we're going to press and hold that for a couple of seconds there, and then we're going to start seeing a display here. And there you go. You can see my skateboard's right over there. And now to rotate the camera. So here we can see that we're upside down. To rotate the camera, very easy. All you do is just press this button, and now we are in the right orientation, which is great. If you happen to just put the endoscope in the wrong way, then you can just flip the switch and rotate it as need be. Now, one of the nicest features I like about this unit is this handle here. A lot of them have a knob here, like the previous model. The DS650 has a knob, and you would kind of need two hands here. If you wanted to hold something or you want to manipulate it and hold this in place here, you could go ahead and just rotate this very easily. This is buttery smooth. Definitely, you can see the whole articulation here, and it moves very, very easily, and then back into neutral if you want it to be. So again, very, very smooth and a strong build here. Definitely one of the smoothest I've ever tested. So excellent quality here. And now if you wanted to take a picture here, let's just say we're pointing the camera back there, right? Let's turn it a little bit, go the other way. Here we go. Now to take a picture, all you would have to do is just hit the button here. What button that I hit? Well, that's the button right over here. So again, everything is one-handed, which is great. Again, if you needed to do something with your other hand, you surely could. I also love the feature that it has a temperature gauge. Now the other one had one as well, but I do love that feature. If you, for some reason, you needed to get an AC reading or whatnot, this comes in super, super handy. Or maybe a heater core. You wanted to see if the heater core possibly had some leaves in front of it or something along those lines. But you also wanted to get a nice temperature reading. You could go ahead and do that as well. To go ahead from camera to videography, you just go ahead and press that same button, press and hold it. And now we are recording here. So that is great. And then you tap the button one more time, and we're good to go. If you want to take a picture, again, just tap the button and you're good to go. And we are using this button back here to do all our recording and change it and stuff like that. So now you want to go ahead and review your files. Press this button over here, press and hold it. Now we're going to go ahead and hit OK. And here we have our pictures. And now we're going to go back here. We're going to scroll down. and we could go ahead and play our video that we had there that we just recorded as well. So that is great. If you wanted some evidence to show to a customer or for your own personal use, that would be great. Now also, now this light sometimes may be too bright, as you can see here. Now we could adjust that. Now it is set all the way up here, and we just bring this down very easily, and you could even turn it all the way off, which is great as well. So very, very nice to use, very simple. I love the fact that we can manipulate this very easily with one hand. Some of them have a different style, but this lever here works phenomenal, and it is, again, buttery smooth and absolutely awesome to use. All right, so we also have this side pocket here, and this is where you find your SD card here. Push it in to take it out, and then push it in to put it back into place. 32 gigabyte standard, and we have our charging port here. It does come with a USB-C charger there, so USB-A to USB-C. This will go on the charging block, and then the USB-C right into here. Does not come with a charging block, but if you're like me, you probably have a million of those things already, and you don't need any more. Probably don't even need a cable, but it does come with a cable included. So that is great. So once again, guys, $159.99 standard price. Make sure you always look for those coupons. If available, apply them, and like that, everything you get the best price at the time possible. I'll have the link directly to this unit in the description section down below if you want to go ahead and pick one up. I promise you this one is absolutely top notch. So that being said, I'll catch everyone on the next one.